As we look at meeting the challenges of keeping the entryways to our homes efficient, there's one more variable some of us need to consider, and it involves our furry friends, pet doors.
Installing a way for our pets to get in and out of the house on their own creates convenience, but it can lead to an escape hatch for conditioned air as well. You can reduce that impact and stay efficient with a little research and some good choices.
Decide where you need to place the pet door. This could be through an exterior door, a wall-mounted placement, or added as a feature to a sliding door. You want your pet to have access to a safe space like a fenced yard or kennel area, so they can utilize the outside spaces while also staying contained. Your options will likely be dictated by the accommodation available or that you create in your yard. If you can, you should also consider the direction the door will face and whether prevailing winter winds will have an impact on its efficiency. Once you know where you're going to install the door, you can move on to other considerations.
Make sure the door you choose is constructed of durable, weather-resistant materials that can withstand extreme temperatures and winds. For a wall-mounted version, a well-insulated frame is especially important, as there will be more exposed frame surface to protect. For any of the options, be sure to select doors with multiple flaps, double or even triple, and insulated panels. This multi-flap system will create a barrier against drafts and reduce temperature transfer. Magnetic closures can help seal up the door opening after your pet goes in or out, preventing flaps that are askew or stuck open.
Install your pet door with care, following all of the manufacturer's instructions. For many models, you can find an installation instruction video that will help walk you through step by step to assure you're successful. Installation details that will contribute to an energy efficiency are proper to fit. Make sure the pet door fits snugly within the opening, minimizing gaps around the frame. Weather stripping. Install all included weather stripping around the frame of the door to fill gaps and create a tight seal. And caulking. Use exterior grade caulk to seal any air leaks or cracks around the door frame that might occur because of a paneled door or other issues that result in a less than airtight fit. If you're not feeling confident or don't have the proper tools, consider engaging a handyman service for assistance. Slider-specific pet doors require fewer carpentry skills or tools to install. A flexible design also allows for the slider door opening to be made available as needed for moving items in and out the full doorway expanse. Weather stripping and precise installation are important to keeping this option efficient.
To keep your pet door as efficient as it can be, stay current on maintenance. Check it regularly for damage to flaps, weather stripping, and the overall seal. You should do this at least twice a year. Replace damaged or worn flaps and weather stripping. Another option you can consider is an automatic door that includes electronic features that allow only your pets in and out of the door and creates a more robust seal after every use. Now, due to these high-end features, the cost of this option is generally on the higher side of what's available. There are multiple options available for you to choose from in a variety of price ranges. Do your research and select the one that best meets the needs of you and your pet.
It's a dog-eat-dog world, so take a bite out of energy waste where you can. For more information on energy-saving features for your PowerHouse, visit our website at powerhousetv.com.